Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news, we have a pack of battlers by Holder, designed for the first set of encounters in our game. Blessed Relic Chronis, a light horror mystery game about a writer going through a time loop. A pack of 20 BGMs designed for games menu screen by Void One Gaming. In plugin releases for today, we have an MV and MZ plugin by Monokura that disables the mouse click pointer animation with a switch. A plugin by Unagi Otoro for both MV and MZ that creates a ring command menu around the player. Two MZ plugins by Noon that transforms TP and TPB gauges to circular gauges. And an MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that allows us to scroll the battle back. Next, we have two new tools. MV Finder by Starlit allows us to search all instances of any text inside our project, compatible with MV and MZ. Translation Helper by Codenac is an add-on to some random dude's translation engine, which makes translating our games faster and more convenient. A pixel boat sprite by Tiago Mello. And lastly, a Japanese article tutorial explaining the changes made in MZ's core script from version 1 to version 1.2.1. That's all for today. A lot of amazing resources are coming from the Japanese RPG Maker community, so get yourself used to understanding them through Google Translate and DeepL, else you'll end up missing out on a lot.